Now, will have to stand out from your competitors. How you can stand out from your competitors? Because आप तो सर सोचते होंगे कि बहुत सारा तो ऑनलाइन कोचेस है. How can I do it? It is very much possible because ऑनलाइन कोचेस तो है, पर कितना है ये आपको सोचना है. मैक्सिमम ऑफलाइन ही बैठे हुए हैं. You can see there are so many. Not everybody is YSR. Not everybody is what Puttu sir just mentioned. Those are the top level coaches of India. कितना है वो लोग यार? 8-10 ही तो है. और इतना लोग हम लोग कोचिंग ले रहे हैं. अब कितने को देखे हो कि ऑनलाइन इतना कमा रहे हैं सब? बहुत कम. The moment you go online, you are, you have left your competitors way behind. Now there is another way to earn money, which is called sales funnels. All the big coaches in the industry, all the big names, they have their own sales funnels. We have seen that and we have joined them through their sales funnels only. Sales funnels करोड़ों रुपया कमा के लाएगा आपके लिए. And I'll tell you how sales funnel works, because a lot of the coaches that are there and those who are also not there, some of are my customers and they know what sales funnels are, but for many of you maybe you do not know. So we'll discuss that. And you have to have your own website. Your website is basically your house address. घर का या ऑफिस का. एक तो ऑफिस का आपका एड्रेस है, क्योंकि आप ऑफिस में जब बैठते हो आदमी को तो पता चलता है कि आप इधर से बिलोंग करते हो. ये मयूर विहार आपका नाम है ऑफिस का जगह का. सेम इज योर वेबसाइट. दैट्स योर ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी. So you need all these things to go online and to develop yourself. Now these are the two worlds. Understand this. Your real world is so small. इतना तो हमने छोटा दिखा है, पर इससे भी बहुत छोटा है. Your locality is your real world. Your office locality is your real world. जितना फिजिकली पहुंच सकते हो वो आपका रियल वर्ल्ड है. या तो न्यूज़पेपर्स में लिफलेट अगर आप देते हो तो दैट इज योर रियल वर्ल्ड. 500,000 आदमी मैक्सिमम आप पहुंच सकते हो. Newspaper ads, very expensive. Only big companies can give. TV ads, very big companies can give. Radio ads, these are all marketings. And real world way marketings, billboards and all everything are very expensive. You'll not be able to sustain. And the sale comes only when you walk in to the customers or the customer walks in to you, to your office. So that's real world for you. But what's a virtual world? Virtual world is completely different. You have your own website, your Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, YouTube, WhatsApp. Everything is working for you. They are wanting to make you big. And these are the tools, social media platforms. And your templates, vlogs, blogs, reels. These are the things, shorts. These are the things that you promote yourself to. And this is without boundaries. That's where the sell comes in. Now, how this marketing and the sales, the difference. See, as we discussed, right? The offices, the physical offices, the branches, the billboards, and all other platforms. Those are TVs, radios, and everything. Those are the marketing tools. Sales happen as far as the coaches are concerned. Sales happens only when the customers come in or you can visit the customers in the real world. Whereas in the virtual world, it's different. Sales happen virtually through sales funnels and different sales funnels. जैसे कि Facebook में अगर आप normal sales funnel में नहीं देते हो ना, उधर पे email opt-in का option है, name, address and all these things. उधर पे आप डाल सकते हो details and then you can do it. That's also a sales funnel, a small sales funnel. YouTube में भी है. सब में there are sales funnels. Different sales funnels are there. Okay. Now, this is basically the difference at its best. All these are your customers. These people are all your customers, and you're like that Pied Piper. And all these social media platforms, you're actually enticing your customers to come in. And this is a sales funnel wherein you create an awareness, then interest as to what your products are. You build relationships, your desire, and you create their desire to purchase the product from you, because you're the only one who can help them, with the product. I'll come to as to how to create that desire at a later stage. And then after the desire is created, they take action. And that action is accumulation of your wealth, because you have to create wealth, and it's not money I'm talking about, it's wealth. So this is the total way you can actually help yourself develop and get more and more, business. Now let's come to why customers buy. I told you the science, right? The science behind why we buy. Understand एक चीज सोचो, आपको अगर एक वो लेना है, एडिडास का एक टी शर्ट लेना है, या तो कुछ महंगा चीज लेना है आपको, एक टी शर्ट या एक शर्ट का प्राइस है, या तो एक प्यूमा का शू का प्राइस है 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. The cost, the actual cost. Now the company is giving that particular product at a cost of 1,500 to 2,000 rupees on a sale. तो जरूर लोगे. Why? Because for you the cost is lower than the actual value. So if we are a customer, we'll always go in for a cost which is much lower than the value that we are getting back. एक जूता का प्राइस अगर 7,000 रुपया है, वही अगर हम लोग 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 में मिल रहे हैं, तो we'll take it. 50% का डिस्काउंट में हम लोग ले लेगा. So understand this. This is the psychology, the first psychology that comes in here. जितना हम लोग perceived value of the product will have to be more than the cost. So your pricing, इसमें pricing का भी related आ गया. आपका pricing भी ऐसा करना चाहिए, जो कस्टमर आपसे ले रहा है ना, उसको सोचना चाहिए, उसको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि your pricing is much more, your value is much more. बहुत सारे values दे रहे हो आप cost के हिसाब से. So this is one very basic thing for cost creation. Do not think of the pricing. अभी pricing का बात हम लोग नहीं किए हैं. This is basically the value and the cost. मान लो कि आपका एक प्रोडक्ट का कॉस्ट है 10 रुपया, लेकिन कस्टमर को वो लग रहा है या आपको लग रहा है यार उसका वैल्यू 2 रुपया से ज्यादा नहीं होगा, आप लोगे क्या? Will not take it. The same thing, एक प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू है 1,00,000 रुपया, पर वो आप कस्टमर को दे रहे हो 30,000 रुपया. If you think that the product is valued at, उसका actual value is 1,00,000 रुपया, और वो अगर 30,000 में आपको मिल रहा है, मान लो कि एक जमीन लेना है आपके बाजू के घर के बाजू में, उधर पे अगर 10 लाख रुपया करके काठा चल रहा है उधर पे, और कोई आपको दे रहा है 2 लाख रुपया काठा, तो आप ले लोगे. लेकिन वही चीज कोई अगर आदमी आपको आके मतलब कुछ दूसरा सामान सेल करने का कोशिश करेगा, जिसका वैल्यू अगर मान लो कि वो लोग दे रहे हैं 100 रुपया, और आपको लग रहा है कि यार उसका वैल्यू 100 रुपया है ही नहीं, तो आप नहीं लोगे. दिस वेरी बेसिक. नाउ दिस इज द साइंस, दिस KLTV मेथड. व्हाट इज KLTV? वेरी सिंपल. K is know, like, trust and then buy. Understand this. आपका 2 दोस्त है, ठीक है ना? अब 2 दोस्त आपसे पैसा मांग रहे हैं, 1,000 रुपया मांग रहे हैं. आप दोनों दोस्त को जानते हो, तब दोनों आपके पास पैसा अगर है तो आप दोनों दोस्त को दे दोगे. एक दोस्त को आप पसंद नहीं करते हो, दूसरे को आप पसंद करते हो, आप किसको दोगे? जिसको आप पसंद करते हो उसी को दोगे. तो पहले तो आपको जानना चाहिए किसको आप दे रहे हो. अगर कोई तीसरा आदमी आके बोलेगा कि यार मेरे को 10 रुपया दे दो, आप नहीं दोगे. तो you have to know that person, then you have to like that person. अगर उसको पसंद करते हो तब ट्रस्ट आएगा आपके पास. अगर if you trust your friend that वो पैसा दे देगा आपको, तभी आप पैसा दोगे उसको. It is our psychology. Same is with your customer psychology. If a customer doesn't know you, then he will not or she will not like you, and they will not trust you also, because आपको तो जानता ही नहीं है, तो लेने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. This is where online platforms में there are sales gurus who actually make a killing in the online platform, even though people do not know them personally. How do we know them? हम लोग वाईएसआर के पास जब गए थे, हम लोग उनको पर्सनली थोड़ी ना जानते हैं, आज भी नहीं जानते पर्सनली किसी को, बट we knew them through his social media handles. उसका बात करने का तरीका, उसका presentation, all the social media platforms were actually helping him grow his business. So we knew him through social media. We liked him because the way he talked, videos, reels and all, ये सब आ गया था. We trusted him because the social media platform was telling about him in a huge manner. Yeah, YSR is good, YSR is good, YSR is good. There were testimonials. Not only the testimonials, there were a lot of media coverages also. This builds trust. अब आप सोचोगे कि यार आपका तो मीडिया कवरेज नहीं है, आप कैसे बिल्ड करोगे? You can still build trust. कैसे? You have, I'll tell you how you can build trust at a later stage. कि ये करके हम लोग कर सकते हैं. And then only we bought. 99 rupees भी कोई नहीं देता है यार. So we paid 1.5, 1.3, 1.2 to him. Just because the previous three, KLT, actually confirmed with our belief system. Yeah, this man is trustworthy. We like this person, and we somehow felt we know him. Isileye we got the product. We bought the product. So this is very, very, very important. Whenever you are doing a marketing online, you have to keep these things into account. This KLTV, this formula. Now, how to implement this? इतना तो हम लोग अभी आइडिया तो हो चुका है कि इतना कुछ हम लोग कर सकते हैं. I'll take a sales seminar at a later stage जिसमें पूरा selling रहेगा. It will be completely different because I'm into sales for the last 20 years and I'm one of the best salespersons of the world in terms of financial market. I'm a $1 million roundtable member and a life member also on that. So we have clientele in approximately 17 countries. हम लोग 17 कंट्री में काम करते हैं. हम लोग का जो पेरेंटल बिजनेस है. So that's my family business. So we have a credibility on sales, credentials on sales. We can take that at a later stage. But now, how to take you on board and to implement these things? So this is how we'll be doing it. We'll be helping you grow by building your strong brand online. Will be helping you get unlimited leads. कैसे वो leads मिलेगा? We can discuss at a later stage, and you can actually do business without boundaries. And then the money comes to you. This is what Bill Gates said sometimes back. If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. We know this. And I believe in this. I'm sure you all believe in this. Now, देखो, this is what we are offering to you. This is basically a model जिसमें ना अब देखोगे complete onboarding कैसे होता है. This is the premium service that you are providing as well as it is a comprehensive handholding online support जो हम लोग देते हैं, and it is extremely pocket friendly. So these are the three ways. Of course, this is basically exclusively super coach offer. पहला वाला जो ग्रुप था ना, उसमें सरजीत जी है, कुटुस्वामी जी है, जो लोग इधर पे है, तो for them the offer was different, but now the offer has changed a bit. So this offer, इसमें हम लोग क्या क्या दे रहे हैं? वेबसाइट्स दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को बना के. This is a complete, आपको कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. It is a completely a comprehensive website that you'll be getting, जहाँ पे आप लोग blogs कर सकते हो. आपका जो भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, everything will be integrated and everything will be automated, that system. हम लोग 5 तो प्लेटफॉर्म्स में आपको दाखिल कर देंगे, जैसे कि YouTube चैनल आपका एक हो जाएगा. If you do not already have these things, आपका LinkedIn बिजनेस पेज होगा. Remember, business page and profile are two different things. So Facebook profile आप सबका है, पर business page शायद बहुत सारे का नहीं है. So you'll have to have a Facebook business page, your LinkedIn business page, and Google business page. These are the 5 things that will be created with your own branding, with your own logo, and with your everything, your thing. And the sales funnels will be created. Sales funnel, remember we discussed on that sales funnel कि कहाँ से कैसे आपका customers आएगा. So that sales funnel will be created. We'll give you one sales funnel because अभी आपका sales funnel एक होने से ही ठीक है. बाद में as and when you grow, you can create multiple sales funnels, and it will be completely automated. So the total cost for these things is 72,000 rupees. But this is an exclusive offer for all the super coaches. It is 35,490. This is a super coach offer. And we have got bonuses that you are providing to you. The bonuses are for 54,000 rupees. हम लोग जो बोनस आपको दे रहे हैं, क्या क्या बोनस दे रहे हैं वो भी हम बता रहे हैं. दिस इज 18,000 मंथली. हम लोग क्या क्या हो गया ना, आपका टोटल प्लेटफॉर्म तो बन गया है. अभी प्लेटफॉर्म बनने के बाद यू नीड टू मार्केट योरसेल्फ. अगर मार्केट नहीं कर पाओगे then that is useless. And because I've been dealing with coaches for a long time now, I know the pain points. जो लोग ऑनलाइन नहीं है उन लोगों को मार्केटिंग नहीं आता है. You have to create templates, you have to create blogs, you have to create vlogs, you have to create reels. कहाँ से बनाओगे और कहाँ पे छोड़ोगे, कैसे छोड़ोगे? So 3 months we do a complete handholding to you. 18,000 मंथली करके ये चार्जेस. एंड इसमें क्या क्या हम लोग दे रहे हैं आपको? 12 सुपर हाई क्वालिटी टेम्पलेट्स जो रेजोनेट करता है whatever you do इसके साथ in all your social media platforms. And 8 स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट ब्लॉग्स जो आप लोग का सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में जाके ये मंथली दे रहे हैं हम लोग. मतलब 3 टेम्पलेट्स पर वीक एंड 2 ब्लॉग्स पर वीक प्लस यूट्यूब पोस्टिंग्स. यूट्यूब में वीडियो आप लोग बना लोगे. विल गाइड यू हाउ टू मेक अ वीडियो एंड देन विल पोस्ट इट along with hashtags and all so that you know there is a maximum outreach because हम लोग को पहुंचना है कस्टमर्स के पास. So these things will create a credibility for you. Completely copywriting हम लोग कर देंगे आपके लिए. All the photographs that we give will be copyright free. आपको कोई आपका photographs will always prefer कि आप photographs दो आपका. अगर नहीं पूरा दे सकते हो then we'll give the photographs those you can use completely for business purposes, complete copyright free. वो जितना सारे we'll be doing our websites and all, your websites and all, everything will be copyright mastery के साथ रहेगा. कोई copyright नहीं आएगा उसमें. Now our customer support is extremely good. I asked Sabjit ji and Puttaswamy ji to speak at a later time on that. And this thing is coming 54,000 का प्राइस है जो कि आपको अभी 0 देना है. You do not have to pay a single penny for this. And everything that you do is completely yours. जितना सारे हम लोग अभी बनाए देंगे ना, अगर 3 महीने बाद आपको लगता है कि आप यू कैन हैंडल ऑन योर ओन बिकॉज वी डू अ कंप्लीट हैंड होल्डिंग, तब सीख जाओगे ये चीज. आप खुद कर सकते हो. तो खुद अगर कर सकोगे तो इट इज एवरीथिंग दैट इज देयर इज कंप्लीटली योर्स. वी विल मेक अ वेबसाइट फॉर यू एंड एवरीथिंग. इसका पासवर्ड, यूजर आईडी सब आपके पास रहेगा एंड इट इज योर थिंग ओनली. इट इज योर प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है. Total price is coming to 1,25,000 rupees and the actual price that you have to pay is 35,490 rupees. So this is the price that you are offering at a 71% discount. पर क्या है ना कि because I am also a super coach, तो मैंने भी सीखा है आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ, particularly the time that we met in Ahmedabad. We learned a lot and we it was a bond that it's a personal bond that I have with the Super Coach fraternity. So I'm offering you something more on this. This is the thing that I'm offering. It's a 5% off for 5 coaches if they join together. अगर सुपर कोच से 5 भी कोच अगर ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं तो यू गेट जो 34,000 रुपीज का प्राइस है, दैट प्राइस कम्स टू 33,715. और अगर 10 people are joining, then the price goes even lower, 31,941. This is the price that I'm offering because this is the rock bottom price that I can offer. इसमें क्या क्या मिल रहा है आपको, you have already seen it. It is priced as 1,25,000 rupees, पर आपको सिर्फ 31,000 rupees ही देना है. And when we start the work, you'll see the difference in the category of work that we have. So अभी आपको क्या करना है, you do not have to pay this whole amount together. आपको सिर्फ आज के दिन token amount देना है, and then we discuss and then you pay the balance. The token amount starts from 10,000 rupees, but this is also divided totally for the period कि अगर हम लोग 1-1.5 महीना तक कर लेते हैं तो this 31,000 rupees you have to pay in 3 equal installments, ठीक है. पर आज के दिन आपको अगर 10,000 रुपया देना है, और if you want to book this product and if you do not have 10,000 rupees, then I suggest that you just pay 5,000 rupees and book this product because this price is valid only for today. कल से ये 2 discounts नहीं रहेगा, 5 और 10 का, ठीक है ना. We'll have to move back to the old pricing of 34,000 rupees, which will also be valid for some time. But as of now, if you want to book, this 5,000 rupees is the only price that you can have, and then you can just scan the code and pay. It is the scan is there, so you can do that. And in the meantime, Sarabjit ji, if you can kindly share your experience, कि आपका experience कैसा रहा, तो it will be great.
Yes, Debashish. Hello everyone. Believe me, I was standing at a very raw form, and had I not taken help of Debashish when he conducted the session last time, I was feeling lost. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं इतना कुछ देख रही हूँ, लोगों को सोशल मीडिया पर कर रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं, कैसे होगा, बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. बिकॉज विदाउट वी हैविंग द प्रेजेंस ऑन द सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू डू एनीथिंग काइंड ऑफ, I mean, we cannot deliver any value with the expertise that we are holding, and we are looking forward for a platform. We are looking for the audiences to come to us. There are steps. When it started, और अभी कितना कुछ Debashish and team has delivered it to me. They've shown it to me. They keep showing in between. Is it okay and everything, all from logo to color scheme to everything. Of course, my interventions are there कि ऐसा मुझे ये चीज ऐसा चाहिए and everything. But there's a complete dedication which Debashish and the team has been delivering it. And I remember last time, I think 2 days back, when Debashish sent a message to me that your website is up now. Just have a feel, and we just want you to have a feel. How does it look like? I mean, the whole time, and even after that till today, I'm just feeling so glad कि मेरा website बन गया है, अभी उसमें बहुत कुछ बाकी है, पोस्ट करना है, सब कुछ करना है, थोड़ा मेरी तरफ से भी डिले हो रहा है because of certain reasons. But believe me, like एक होता ना कि every single step I have seen them creating for me, I am gaining confidence in that context कि okay, fine, yes, this will happen, this is required, this is what I see. I think this was day before yesterday when I spoke to one of the team members, Debashish, that my LinkedIn main profile, if something can be done with that, because LinkedIn page तो business का create हो गया, but मेरा जो main profile है उसका कुछ करने का है ना, so it was done and I could see that. So that also makes every single thing is making an impact. Fine. Of course, we'll have to start posting a lot of things, but then before we start posting, things are to be in a very systematic manner. So this is what he's been doing it. मैं अगर किसी और बाहर से भी कराती, which I was meeting some people, they were telling me you'll have to pay us this, you'll have to get this done for us, this is what you need to give us. I mean, as many people, as many voices. This is what it was coming. So here I'm happy that from our own community, so we have an expert sitting with us. I think that's a blessing and a bliss for all of us to take help from him if we are really interested. I have been a person with 25 years of experience in the real world. It's just the lockdown took me to the in my job, it took me to the virtual platform, how to deliver things, how to work as an employee, and how to deliver sessions, everything on Zoom and everything. Otherwise, lockdown se pehle to we were all offline. Fine. So from that, there is a shift. Having an idea and then going ahead with those platforms with concrete plan in our hands. So that's very, very important. So step by step, things will move. I would really appreciate if you're interested. Believe me, I think Devashish knows about it. I have certain crises in my life, but still there's a innate desire in me and the urge, that I cannot let my life go waste. Number one. Secondly, I cannot think of going my expertise and my experiences going waste if the platforms are changing now, and even for the offline world, when I'm interacting with somebody else. Yesterday I had an interview with a gentleman. He's the CEO of the company. For about 1.5 hours he had conversations with me. He just asked me, Sarabjit ji, are you having some online presence? Imagine. So this is a US based institute. So I was because I was confident, because it's being created. So I told him, yes, my online presence, my website and everything is being created. Another few days I'll be able to announce it to the world. Fine, because people can otherwise see my profile on LinkedIn. Fine. So this is what the offline world is also expecting us कि हमारा कुछ online है. हमने offline सारा जिंदगी अभी तक जो काम किया है 20 साल 25 साल कितना भी साल किया है तो हम एक world is expecting from us कि हमारा presence कहीं online है which we can refer to. Even if we buy something else from somebody else, we simply ask them, do you have a website? Can I refer to your website? Because that's the credibility. So every single, whether it is a FB or it is Insta or it is LinkedIn or it is YouTube, everything is interconnected. And that synergizing is very, very important. I would really recommend, I'm not here to market it, but believe me, मैं दिल से देवाशीष का थैंक यू और ग्रैटिट्यूड से कर रही होती हूँ और every team member when I get up in the morning because somebody is working midnight, somebody is working till early morning, वो मैं सुबह उठ के देखती हूँ वो पोस्ट मुझे सुबह 4 बजे का आया हुआ है because the team has been working on my agenda. So I feel like यार मैं तो ये सब कुछ सोच ही नहीं सकती हूँ, मैं ये क्रिएट भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ because I cannot go and learn graphics now. I cannot go and learn copywriting kind of a thing for the social media in terms of creating this this designing part, this aesthetic part. I mean, there's so much, so it sucks your energy. So there is somebody from our own community. So why not to take advantage of that? Of course, we'll have to pay. हमें किसी बाहर वाले को भी तो pay करना ही है ना. So why not to pay अपने घर के बंदे को? और वो भी घर का बंदा जो हमारे काम को जानता है, हमें जान रहा है और उसको इतना मालूम है कि मुझे करना क्या है, because he is also grown with the course, with that same course, so he knows कि हमको करना क्या है सब. Fine. So that's very, very important. So somebody who already knows about it, आपको you're not giving work to someone who is blank. जिसको मालूम नहीं है कि NLP होता क्या है या उसको इंटीग्रेट कैसे करना है आपके प्रोग्राम के साथ. The website which has come up, I really liked the way it is designed. I showed it to 4-5 of people in my personal circle, and they really said, "Oh, it has really come up so well." Fine, and I mean, what else more? दो कुछ changes करना है अभी because वो मेरे end से delay हो रहा है, but this is what is my हाँ. Please go ahead with that. अगर आप बहुत concerned हैं कि क्या करें और कैसे करें.
Swami ji, if you are there, if you can kindly share your thought.
Yeah, of course, very much here. I don't want to be as exhaustive as Sarabjit. Sarabjit, in fact, she spoke the entire thing, in minute, threadbare. In fact, me and Sarabjit, we resonate in one thing. हम पुराने जमाने के जेलर हैं. Okay. So thing is that no, we'll not be able to kind of learn everything and implement everything. Many things are going overboard. मैंने इतना course कर लिया. I got so much of content. Honestly, I'll not be able to make it on my own. That's why तभी जब हम लोग भटक रहे थे अंधकार में अंधेरे में, got a silver lining in the form of Devashish, the friendly neighborhood. as Sarabjit said, he knows the subject. Instead of going around here and there, why not to join hands with Debashish? They're really very friendly, and they got abundant patience. You ask them to make hundreds of changes they make before onboarding. In fact, as a proof, I just, in the chat, I put my website address. You people can go through that. But only one thing, please don't delay further. Like one of the coach was telling, you are there to give all the goodies on earth to your family. The more you delay, you are denying that particular luxuries to them. And age is catching up with all of us. Even one day delay, maybe you lose 1 lakh rupee. That 1 lakh might multifold, into crores. Please don't jump the bandwagon. Be perfectly imperfect. Don't wait. मेरा ये हो जाएगा, then I launch. मेरा वो हो जाएगा, I launch. मेरा जन्मदिन पे, सालगिरह पे, या no, don't wait. Time is very critical. And as I mentioned earlier, every coach has got student, and universe is blessing us to deliver the value, whatever we are inculcated, whatever we are learned. We are learning to deliver. One of the coach says, you should get pregnant with the ideas, what you are learning. To take those goody things, get pregnant, don't carry the pregnancy beyond 9 months, deliver it. The society is waiting to accept it both the hands. And this is a ready reckoner what we got. You keep on hunting for different service providers. So nothing but you're wasting time. End of the day, you have to pay. Say, you fight with Debashish, he is our boy. You tell him, boss, मैं 25 नहीं दूंगी, 20 ही दूंगी. He has to accept it. In turn, what happens? 10 of us will join, other 10 will come. He'll also gain, we'll also gain. My humble request, do not delay any further. Keep, start scoring goals. And Debashish is there very much to help us. Only one thing, by paying him the money, your duty doesn't cease there. Please give the inputs whatever they want. Don't delay, because even they are having a lot of work. Abhi wo mangenge photo bhejo. We sleep on that request, for 1 month. There's no logic again. Time is critical, and success. Respect the people, those who act fast. Thank you so much for giving a chance, Debashish.
Thank you, sir.
We are in fact घोड़ा चढ़ गया हमने. भारत में शादी तो करना ही है. Nobody can stop it.
Thank you, sir.
And if we start now, 2025, tak, we'll have a lot of confidence that my things are in place. And I have also done a pilot, so I have told Debashish कि मेरा एक pilot भी पूरा हो जाएगा, तो मेरा एक pilot webinar या कुछ ऐसा करवा भी देना, so that मैं देखूँ तो सही सब कैसे क्या होता है, So because you need a hand holding. The person who will do it will also be a hand holder for us, fine? Believe me, Debashish, मतलब मैं ना दिल से दुआ कर रही होती हूँ कि बहुत सारा कोचिंग कम्युनिटी का हमारा ग्रुप है और बहुत सारे लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि मैं अपना कहानी आज की डेट में किसी को बताऊं तो लोग हैरान हो जाएंगे, कि how she is single and she has got no support system in her life. Whatever she has earned, she has spent in the home. She's spending and living her life every day. She has to make expenses, she has rent and everything. So imagine, so just because I'm expecting that universe knows my intention, and the person who I chose, Debashish, so he knows me because I had close interactions with Debashish, and every time I don't hesitate in telling ki Debashish, look, this is where I am lacking, this is where I am weak, this is where I need some more time, this is what the things are. Because अगर आप किसी बाहर वाले को करोगे, किसी थर्ड पर्सन को, वो आपका वो बोलेगा जी टाइम हो गया है जी, आपने ये किया नहीं, आई एम सॉरी, you'll have to give us more. So he is going to put a penalty on you. You'll have to pay some more. Probably today Debashish is quoting, group का एक पूरा इतना अमाउंट एंड इतना अमाउंट. अगर कोई बाहर वाले से करेंगे, वो ऐसा ही करेगा कि ये डेट था बॉस, आपने नहीं पे किया. So you'll have to pay us more. There's a penalty. Fine. I remember जब मैंने.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Yes, Sarabjit. If you are finished.
Please.
With this, actually I want to tell something.
Yes.
I run a play school. I have a kindergarten. Okay. So I have my website. So for my this coaching thing, do I have to create a separate website so that it will be
Tell me
effective.
about your experience of EFT. If you have done some small win this week, or you have tried on yourself.
I
Anybody?
can't hear.
And I'm also requesting everybody to switch on their cameras so that we can see and interact with each other.
हाँ,
Thank you so much for switching on your camera.
तो स्वामी जी आपका वीडियो ऑन है, मतलब सुनाई दे रहा सब कुछ उधर पे। हाँ,
I like to
That's
take
what-
leave. I would like to take leave. मेरे गौरव जी का अटेंड करना है. Please excuse me. Bye bye. Thank you.
हाँ सुनीता जी बोलिए।
Yes, I was telling, means I run a play school, so मेरा अपना वेबसाइट है, मेरीलैंड इंटरनेशनल करके राउरकेला में. I belong to Odisha. Okay, so मेरे को क्या means do I have to create a coaching के लिए like Sabjit and this Kutuswamy sir he said no, I'm also very weak and डर लगता है ये बटन दबाने से कुछ होगा वो, that fear is very much inside me. So I am very much scared to go online. Though I am having this Instagram, Facebook, everything, I don't know how to create a business page like, okay. And हर हफ्ता मतलब क्या कंटेंट डालना है, I keep on thinking, फिर उसको एडिट वेडिट, फिर वैसे थक जाती हूँ, then I just close it, चलो रहने दो. It's like that. I'm telling the reality. This is what I am. And अच्छा, with this, so all these things are covered. Like we can create. You will create a Facebook different page also, Instagram, LinkedIn, everything.
everything will be completely creating your own identity online, जिसमें आपको मतलब as a coach will establish you online. So
Okay.
if you have a play school, तो
Yeah.
इसका अगर वेबसाइट है ना, तो that website is different. जैसे कि
Yeah.
I have a financing company, so my website
Okay.
is different on that. My personal
Yeah.
website is different, and my software technology company का website is different.
Okay.
So it's a different identity.
Okay.
Right.
Like you were telling now, when it is true, like we should go online. आजकल कुछ भी हम लोग देखते हैं, like I have to buy a product, फटाफट Google करते हैं. So if we are visible online, so people value us. That is true. Like Sabjit भी जैसे उन्होंने said. So I also want to do that, but वही direction path कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Like ठीक है.
Will
And
will help you with a completely
Yeah.
hand-holding thing. आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है. You just have to relax and see the things grow.
And supposing, let me ask you one thing. YouTube में कुछ डालना है, तो content and all, everything you will help us.
कंटेंट देखो हम लोग तो दे देंगे आपको, लेकिन कंटेंट तो आपको बनाना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि आपका तो
Yes.
वीडियो तो आपका होना चाहिए. अब वीडियो
ठीक है.
बना के हम लोग को दे दोगे तो हम लोग विल मेक दैट वीडियो एंड गिव दैट टू यू. ठीक है. सो
And ये means you will teach means बाद में तो in the future we have to do it on our own. So this you will train us also YouTube में how to go Facebook
एकदम
में
एकदम
all
जब हम
those
लोग
things.
करेंगे ना, when we'll
Yeah.
do it for you, you can see how things are. Do you आपको ना मतलब इधर पे कुटुस्वामी सर जी का आपको लिंक क्लिक करो. आई एम ऑल्सो
हाँ,
सेंडिंग. देखे आपने ये वाला लिंक क्लिक कीजिए एक बार. ये सरजीत जी का है.
Sajid, she can send me. You can send me. I'll go through it.
So you just
Okay.
go through these things. आपको कुछ जानने का जरूरत नहीं है. देखो बिजनेस में ना, because you run a business, you know the thing. Business में there is one thing and one thing only. You have to hire somebody who's better than you. अगर कोई टीचर है या कोई प्रिंसिपल है या तो कोई भी स्टूडेंट, सब काम तो आप खुद नहीं कर सकती हो.
Yes.
और
yes.
ऑनलाइन वी आर द एक्सपर्ट्स. आप मेरा साथ काम करोगी, then I'll take you online and I'll do an onboarding platform for you, completely 360 ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म हम लोग को दे देंगे आपको, so that you grow out of it. ठीक है ना? So this is what we do. आप अब एक काम करो, आप आफ्टर इधर पे जो लिंक है ना, इधर पे this one that you have, you can see right the QR code. आप इसको स्कैन करके you just put in 5,000 rupees. And then we'll take it forward from tomorrow and discuss whatever is required to be done.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that.
I got some other payments, so हम कैलकुलेट अभी किए नहीं है. जितना पेमेंट अगर हो जाएगा, if it is from super coaches, we'll give you the discount.
So right now I'm paying 5,000.
Yes, please.
सुनीता आंखें
Yeah,
बंद
tell.
करके ही कर दो, मैं सच्ची कह रही हूँ आपको, मैं मतलब मैं दिल से कह रही हूँ, बिकॉज मेरी तरह बहुत सारे लोग, मुझे मालूम है कोचिंग कम्युनिटी में हमारा जो ग्रुप है उसमें करें, बट अभी वो सामने नहीं आ रहे हैं अभी।
नहीं करेक्ट नहीं आई डोंट डाउट द बेसिस, ऐसे नहीं है। मीन्स क्या है कि जैसे लाइक आफ्टर डूइंग एनएलपी नो, like everybody, I have also done so many online courses तो कर लिया, like Putusami sir also told, but उसको कैसे मतलब फिर now further उसको लेना है, that थोड़ा सा जैसे कि माइंड में फॉग आ रहा है, and not knowing the clear path. So I will do definitely because I wanted to go, means grow in this.
You're in the right place. Don't worry.
Yeah, I've also done this Ho'oponopono complete कर लिया, then अभी you will be surprised. I did one Vastu course.
आप ना वो पेमेंट का जो स्क्रीनशॉट है ना, थोड़ा मेरा मोबाइल पे थोड़ा भेज दीजिएगा, ठीक है? इधर पे नहीं भेजिए, मेरा मोबाइल पे भेज दीजिएगा।
I did it 5,000. I did. So in your mobile.
Okay,
So
just
your
send us-
number I will take from the group only. You have.
I'm
that,
just
no?
giving my number here only.
Yeah, you can. That is 98
98302
302
68966.
68966.
This is my personal number, so you can keep it.
Yeah. But if I'll be disturbing you, then
No worries, no problem. This is my job.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so
So
much.
thank you very much. So we are ending the meeting. Tomorrow my team will connect with you, and
Okay,
then
okay.
we'll do an onboarding. जो भी हम लोग का formalities है,
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा हम लोग कर लेंगे कल.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good night, Sabdeep. Good
Night.
night.
Thank you
everybody.
everyone, thank you Devashish,
Thank you,
thanks a
thank you.
lot.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye. Thanks everyone. Nice meeting once
Bye
again.
bye. Good night.
Good night.
Bye. God bless. Good night.